Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can picture in picture get to turn off it. So let's get started. Open up your iPhone settings and then scroll up and go to generals. There you will find picture in picture. You can see over here the third option over here below the AirPlay and community. You will see picture in picture. Once you click on that, you will see this page. So once you click on this toggle to turn this off, it's going to be turned off, and when you swipe up to go home and use more other apps, videos and FaceTime call will automatically continue in picture. So it's going to be like turn off that thing. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.